Today, I received the KIPRIM Lion cordless screwdriver ES3. Comes with the manual. Here's the box that it came in. Here are your basic drivers. Comes with it. Demagnetizer. Here's the tool itself. It has reverse, very good torque, has a work light, charge indicator at the bottom, and the power cord for charging. Oh, it's very nice. Has a lot of torque. Doesn't come with a charging block, but it does have a charging cable. Complete with the how-to instructions. Very good tool for home use. Very fine addition to your home tools. And I highly recommend it as gifting to your family and friends, and a very good collection to your tools. Thank you. Again, the KIPRIM cordless screwdriver ES3. Very, very good tool.